Hey, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to earn money from YouTube Shorts in 2023. If you're new to YouTube Shorts, they are vertical videos that are up to 60 seconds in length. They are perfect for quick, snackable content that can be consumed on the go. YouTube Shorts is one of the latest features that has taken the world by storm, and it's not surprising that many creators are interested in monetizing their Shorts content. So, if you're one of those creators, then keep watching because we're going to share with you some of the best ways to earn money from YouTube Shorts in 2023. Method 1. Ad revenue. The first and most obvious way to earn money from your Shorts is through ad revenue. YouTube has announced that they are now testing ads on Shorts, which means that creators can earn a share of the revenue generated from these ads. To be eligible for ad revenue, you need to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Method 2. Brand deals. Another way to make money from your Shorts is through brand deals. If you have a large following, you can reach out to brands and offer to create Shorts content for them. You can negotiate a fee for your services, or you can ask for free products in exchange for your content. Method 3. Merchandise sales. If you have a loyal following, you can also consider selling merchandise. You can create branded products like t-shirts, mugs, or stickers and promote them in your Shorts. You can also add links to your merchandise store in the description box, which can lead to more sales. Method 4. Donations. Lastly, you can also consider accepting donations from your viewers. If your viewers enjoy your content, they may want to support you financially. You can add a link to your PayPal or other payment platforms in your Shorts description box. Conclusion. So, there you have it, guys. Those are some of the best ways to earn money from YouTube Shorts in 2023. Remember, the key to making money on YouTube is to create engaging, high-quality content that resonates with your audience. So, keep creating, and you'll be on your way to earning money from your Shorts in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.